What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. And in this video I'm going to review another great product from an Emirati house called JABER and Kindi. I have already reviewed two of their products. I'm going to put the links in my description box so you can check them out. The first one was bracelets of Kisra, and I was the first one to review that perfume and to review this house. And the second perfume I have reviewed on my YouTube channel is King Tron Hupo, which I have done like a couple of weeks back. You can also check out that review on my channel. And today in this video, I'm going to review the third perfume I got from this house, and this is Palace de Aziz. Palace de Aziz. And let me tell you guys that first of all, JABER and Kindi is producing amazing products. Their perfumes are literally wow, just wow. If you understand the quality blending of a high quality perfume, you will know what I'm talking about. So do check it out if you can, and if you like amazing, rich and opulent kind of perfume, you're going to love their products. JABER and Kindi is a house which is getting famous now day by day. A lot of people started to talk about them, and there are people who are now doing some reviews of their products on Facebook, in groups, or in YouTube shorts, you know, here and there on Instagram. And I'm really happy for them, and they deserve all the hype. So in this video, I'm going to review Palace de Aziz limited edition, and this one is from their Noble Exclusives line. So let's start the review, and as always, we will start with the presentation first. So you'll get your perfume in this kind of beautiful packaging. You will get a paper sleeve here, and you will find all the details printing in silver foil here. You'll get the name of the brand, the logo of JABER and Kindi, the name of the perfume, Palace de Aziz limited edition, the name of the collection, which is Noble Exclusives, some little bit story description here in the bottom, and then a description in the back with some ingredient details. And then here you will find this on the side, and then on the other side you will find some more logo design pattern. So this is the sleeve, and now let me show you the box. And the box is real luxury. You can see here, this is a solid box, and this is covered with leather, and the quality and finishing, everything is very nice. You'll find the logo of JABER and Kindi engraved here on this leather patch. You can see here, this looks so beautiful, and the finishing is leathery. And once you open the box, you will find this card here. And here on this card, you will find the story behind the inspiration of Palace de Aziz here. And then on the other side, you will find the inspiration behind this collection, something about this perfume and the notes breakdown. So here, it's like warm, woody, oud, sweet, aromatic, floral, smoky, balsamic, and musky notes in this perfume. So this is the card, and then finally you will find your bottle resting here in this black foam cutout. And now let me show you the bottle. So the bottle is very similar to the other two which I have already reviewed. You will find this tapered shaped bottle here with this metallic plate here with the name engraved on it, Palace de Aziz, and with this metallic cap. The cap is made of metal and it's very heavy, but the finishing and everything looks amazing here on this bottle. There is a thick glass base. You can see the shape of the bottle. It's tapered with this beautiful metallic plate. So the finishing and quality, everything is so nice here. And the fragrance is just wow. I can just say that this is wow. So now we will talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. They don't have any particular notes breakdown available on their website. They just have like olfactive accords. So in the top they have like warm woody oud, then in the middle they have sweet aromatic floral, and then there is a smoky balsamic and musky accords in the base. So this is like, you can say, a description of their perfume, and then you will find some little bit story in the fragrance experience here, where they will tell you that it's the woody musky type of scent, and you can read all of these things on their website. I'm going to put the link in my description box. But here in this video, I'm going to explain you that how I get this perfume. I will share my experience with you. So this is a beautiful boozy, woody, oudy kind of fragrance with a bit of bitterness and some sweetness in the opening. So here in the opening, you will get a very rich and opulent kind of rose. There is a bitter woody accords, which gives you that woody feel here because they have used oud in this blend. So it's woody, it's woody, and there is a kind of bitterness which gives you that balsamic type of feel here. And then you will get some spicy sweet saffron here along with some muskiness and smokiness. It's little bit smoky in the opening. It's not very smoky, but you will find that small fine hints of smokiness here, and it's a little bit resinous. There is a kind of green bitter balsamic type of note here in this concoction. So overall it's so beautiful and opulent. So in the opening it's rosy, as I've told you earlier. It's woody, little bit bitter balsamic, and a little bit smoky. And then towards the second phase, that bitterness will become a little bit more prominent and it becomes more woody. That sweet jammy rose is going to stay with you from the start till end, but in the second phase you will experience those woody notes. It becomes a little bit more balsamic, a little bit more spicy, and saffron starts to shine. So saffron and oud, you will get a blend of saffron and oud here in the second phase. And then in the final dry down towards the third phase, it becomes a little bit more musky, a little bit more balsamic and less woody. And rose will be there. It becomes very light. It becomes fainted. It will be not as strong as it was in the beginning, but it becomes a little bit more musky and a little bit more spicy, a little bit more balsamic in the final dry down. So this is the whole journey of this perfume, Palais d'Aziz, a beautiful scent. The journey is very nice. It's a dynamic type of scent. It keeps changing every now and then. You will be experiencing that beautiful transitions between these accords and between these phases, and true opulent and rich scent. If you ever wanted to smell like a king, like a real king, do check it out and you will know what I am talking about here. It's rich, it's opulent, it's amazing, and it will take you back in the time and you can feel that richness and that majestic kind of aura around you. So this was about Palais d'Aziz from the house of JABER and Kindi, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So this is very unique and very beautiful concoction. I cannot find anything similar to this perfume in my collection, so I think it's very unique and amazing composition here. And now let's talk about the performance. Performance wise, this is top notch. This is a beast performer. 1 day plus easily. You can start with, you can say like 6 sprays and then you can adjust them as per your liking. Longevity is, as I told you earlier, 1 day plus. Sillage and projection is great, projects very well for the first couple of hours, and after that, whenever you're going to interact with some people, they will be able to smell it on you. For the gender wise, it's a unisex scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can rock it easily. And now let's talk about the age group. So you should be mature, you should carry that kind of personality to pull this off. So if you are around the age of like 22, 23 plus, rock it. And now let's talk about the season or weather. So these kind of perfumes can be used all year round easily, but for the best experience, if you are living in a very hot country, then avoid summers. Other than that, whenever the weather is a little bit cold, you can rock it. But if you're living in a country like UAE, where you are spending most of your time in air-conditioned environment, then you can rock it anytime, any day. For me, I can use this perfume all year round easily. And now let's talk about the occasion. This is a perfume you should not be wearing every day. This is for really some special occasions. You can rock this perfume on daily basis if you are someone very special. If you are on a very high position, you are meeting a lot of people every day, so your every day is special, your everyday is very important, then you can rock it every day. But if you are like a normal office going man, then you should use this perfume in very special occasion. If it's your wedding, if you're having a great meeting, a very big meeting with some very VVIPs, with some very famous or special people, use it that time. If you're going for a very special date, if you're going for a get together, rock this perfume. Any time when you want to impress people, whenever you want to feel rich, and use this perfume when you are very well dressed. Don't use this perfume with like a trouser and t-shirt. It will work, but you know, this perfume requires you to be well dressed. So if you're wearing a tuxedo, if you're wearing any traditional cloth, but you are well dressed, you are trimmed, you have a nice haircut, you are rocking, use this perfume and it will make you feel more rich, more opulent, and more confident. So this was about the occasion, and now let's talk about the price. So you'll get this perfume in 50 ml quantity, if I'm not wrong. Let me check it on the box. Yes, it's 50 ml. And the current price inside UAE is 550 UAE dirhams. But these people are great. If you're going to talk with them, I'm sure they're going to give you some discounts. And you can also give them reference of my video or reference of my channel. And I hope they can give you some better discounts. I have no deal with them. No such kind of deal is done with them. But I know these people, they are very nice, very generous. So if you give them my reference, I hope they can give you some better discounts. So the current price is 550 UAE dirhams. And now it all depends on your luck, how much discount you can get. But even for 550 UAE dirhams, this is like liquid gold. This one rocks. Totally deserve that price. So this was about Palace de Aziz. This was my review and my experience. I hope you liked it. And I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.